Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the bacon cooks evenly and crisps perfectly. Next, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. This makes cleanup incredibly simple. Finally, lay your bacon strips in a single layer on the prepared sheet, making sure they do not overlap. This method guarantees consistently delicious, crispy bacon every time. Now, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Cook the bacon for about 15 to 20 minutes, adjusting the time based on how thick your slices are and your desired crispiness. Around the 10-minute mark, carefully flip each strip to ensure both sides cook evenly. Keep a close eye on it during the final 5 minutes, as bacon can go from perfectly crisp to burnt very quickly. Once your bacon reaches that beautiful golden brown and crispy stage, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Using tongs, transfer the hot bacon strips to a plate generously lined with several layers of paper towels. Let the bacon rest and drain for a few minutes. This step is crucial for removing any excess grease, ensuring a truly crisp bite. Serve your perfectly cooked bacon right away and enjoy. For the best results, consider using thick-cut bacon. It yields a more substantial, satisfying bite and tends to shrink less. Remember, do not overcrowd your baking sheet, as proper air circulation is key to achieving that desirable crispiness. If you happen to have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your perfectly cooked bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.